What's up, millennials? Welcome back to the channel Trade by Trust, and this is your host Hissham. Today, I'm back with another topic: Bitcoin dominance. So, in today's video, I will tell you how to read the Bitcoin dominance, what Bitcoin dominance is, and how we can use it to trade in the market, in bull market, or in the bear market as well. So, stay with me till the end of the video, and don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Let's get started. What is Bitcoin dominance? So Bitcoin dominance is basically the measurement tool of the performance tool, which shows you how much money is coming in the Bitcoin or how much money is leaving the Bitcoin going into the alts. It is also used to determine how much fear or greed is in the market. One more thing you can use Bitcoin dominance is to choose what is the best time to invest into the altcoin. I know a lot of people, especially in the crypto, they are big fan of the altcoins. They want to invest more into the altcoins as compared to the Bitcoin or Ethereum. So this tool will help you a lot and make your trading better as compared to before. Let's give you one example. So the total market cap of the Bitcoin is 1 trillion. So if the Bitcoin dominance is at the moment I'm filming the video is 43 or 43.5% at the moment. So basically, it is showing you that the 43% of the 1 trillion market cap is in the Bitcoin at the moment, and the rest of the money is into the altcoins or in the stable coins as well. There is the dominance for the Ethereum or for the stable coins as well, which you can check it on the Tradingview. By the way, guys, if you don't know how to use the Tradingview, I will put the link of the Tradingview tutorial which I have created, and the link will be somewhere above on the top. So go and check it out. And also make sure you smash the like button so it will let me know that you guys have watched it. So Bitcoin dominance factors. Also it tells you, the Bitcoin dominance also tells you like when the market is suitable for the altcoins or when it is suitable to sit on the sideline and when it is best to just only trade in the Bitcoin. For that I will take you to the next page. So this is the cheat sheet for the Bitcoin dominance, which I will put that in the description as well as a link, or you can just go to the Google and search on the Google with the Bitcoin dominance cycles. It will come up with this cheat sheet, which I will highly recommend you guys print this and put it on the wall or keep it on your desk while you are trading. Let's jump onto this. So when the Bitcoin dominance is increasing, so first off, these are the bull scenarios and the bottom one is the bear scenario. When Bitcoin dominance is increasing and the Bitcoin is increasing as well, you will see the odds increasing at that time. In the second scenario, when the Bitcoin dominance is increasing, Bitcoin is decreasing, you will see the odds dumping faster. Why? Because selling of the Bitcoins creates a fear of panic in the market. People sell their Bitcoins and altcoins as well. They want to keep the money into the cash, which ultimately, obviously, the holders they don't sell their Bitcoins in the up and down in the market which is a long term. That's why you will see the increase in the Bitcoin dominance. Third one is if Bitcoin increasing, Bitcoin is stable, you will see the alt stable as well. So there will not be much price movement. So in that scenario, it's better that you guys just wait and watch and let the market decide the direction so you can make the money. So in the bear scenario, the dominance, when the dominance is decreasing and the Bitcoin is increasing, you will see the alt season is pumping hard, which you have obviously seen in the last bull season as well, because it is telling you like the people are taking their money out from the Bitcoin while the Bitcoin price is increasing, because obviously people who have invested early in the Bitcoin in the bull run, they will start taking a profit and start putting the money into the altcoins, which will ultimately pump altcoin higher. Second bear scenario, when the Bitcoin dominance is decreasing and the Bitcoin price is decreasing as well, you will see the alts stable. It means people are taking their money out from the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is decreasing as well, so the alts, obviously the Bitcoin is decreasing, dominance is decreasing, people don't have confidence in the market or the trust in the market, fear, panic, whatever you want to say. That's why alts will stay stable. Decrease in the Bitcoin in the last scenario and stable Bitcoin price will also impact the altcoin, which will increase the price of the altcoin. So in this scenario, it's basically telling you that the people they are taking their money out from the Bitcoin, not investing anything in the Bitcoin framework, almost like nothing in the Bitcoin, more focus towards the altcoin, which will increase the price of the altcoins as well. Because that's basically the cycle of the Bitcoin dominance. So when you are trading, especially keep this chart in front of you. Overall, I would sum this like, whenever the Bitcoin dominance is increasing, odds is not good place to put your money in. You either trade into the Bitcoin or sit on the sideline. So that's about the dominant cycle and what you do, how to read the Bitcoin dominance in the bull market versus bear market. So in the bull market, when the market is bullish like we have seen previously, you will see the dominance decrease down to 30 to 35 or maybe even lower than that as well. The reason is people taking their money out, as I said before, putting into the altcoins to gain, to maximize their profit in the bull market in altcoins. Vice versa, in the bear market, you will see the Bitcoin dominance touch up to 60 to 65% as well, depend on conditions of the market at time. The reason for that is people, especially in the bear market, people don't have much confidence into the altcoins. They want to look for the safe assets. Bitcoin is, or Ethereum for most of the people, is a safe asset as compared to other altcoins. So for that reason, in the bear market, you will see that dominance up to 60 to 65% as well. Hopefully, guys, by now you have already understand what Bitcoin dominance is and how you can use Bitcoin dominance to trade into the crypto market. Hope you guys get some value from this video. If you get some value, don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button as well, and hit the bell icon. So whenever I'm releasing the new video with the new content, you will get notified first, and also helps me to promote my videos and spread my voice to more and more people as well. That's it for now, and see you next time.